Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I'd like to depart from the usual content of the daily message and instead tell a story that took place about an event that took place in the year 352 CE. There was a wealthy Roman couple who was childless, and they wanted to find a way to share their wealth and to honor God by sharing their wealth with the church. Well, according to the story, they received an apparition from the Blessed Mother, who said that they should build a church to honor her on a spot where snow would fall. Well, this was seemed like an odd thing because it was midsummer. It was early August, and snow never fell in Rome at that time of the year. But lo and behold, the next morning there was a layer of snow on the Esquiline Hill in Rome. The couple took that as a sign, and so did the bishop, that a church should be built there in Mary's honor. And there was a church built there. It was completed in the year 358, and it was dedicated to Mary. It is the church that, after several renovations, continues to be called the Church of St. Mary Major. Now, the reason why I bring that up is because St. Nicholas is in such close proximity to the National Shrine of Our Lady of the Snows over in Belleville. But also I bring it up because today, August the 5th, just happens to be the feast of Our Lady of the Snows. And so as we honor Mary this day, we pray to her in thanksgiving for the great example that she has shown us for Christian living and the acceptance of God's will. Thank you and have a great day today.